Hello, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your boy, Smiley, bringing you a trade breakdown from what is this? November 3rd, Monday, November 3rd, 2025. So before we get into the actual trade, just want to show y'all my charts aren't red and green like most people's charts are because I don't like the way it looks. So purple is price going up or bullish. Gray is price going down or bearish. These white horizontal lines going across the screen are current daily lines. So if you go to the daily time frame, and if I can, there we go. If you go to the daily time frame, these are the open, high, low, and close of the daily time frame. And the blue ones, sorry, the blue ones are the unmitigated daily level. So what that means is during the New York session, the daily line wasn't hit. So if it wasn't hit during the New York session, we mark it blue for unmitigated, and white is for the current daily level. And then the skinny white line is the EMA set to 100, which means it's the last. So if I'm on the 5-minute chart, so for the last 100 candles, it is the average of those candles. And then 15-minute, same thing, hour, 4 hours daily, same thing. So we're gonna go to our first trade of the day. I chart on TradingView and execute on Volumetrica, just so you guys know. So yeah, as you can see, I am down today. And just so you know, it's the same account number. I'm not pulling no funny moves here. So we'll go to the first trade, which is this one right here at 6:33. So I'm on the West Coast at market open. So I was seeing this big old push up overnight. So I was figuring, and we got a lot of consolidation here. We're still above the 5-minute EMA. We're going to keep pushing, which we did here, and then pulled back a little bit. And it pulled back during the market open, like right when it opened, it pulled back a little bit. I expected it just to hit this level and just like keep going, and it didn't. I was in the trade for 1 minute exactly. 1 minute in, it tapped me in. I was in profit for about maybe 10 seconds, and then this straight back down. So that trade lost me 300, 3 or 4 with commissions, but 300. And then for the next trade, I was on the 15-minute time frame, and I was looking for another buy here off of the 15-minute 100 EMA. I saw it come down and it wicked it really, really hard. So I was like, all right, if it's gonna wick it really hard, I can put some entry on the 15-minute and just take it right back up. And then, which it did for a minute, and then went to the current daily level. Then it kind of just died off there. I could have closed it there for, they go $600 in profit at that point, but I knew once I got here I was gonna go to break even, so I just went break even and ended up tapping me out. So no harm, no foul. I made 26 bucks. I mean, break even basically. And then I had to wait for news because news is coming out at 7. So then I had to wait it out. And then I was taking I was back on the 5-minute. I always go between the 5 and the 15. I don't like really watching the 1 minute. It's just too much. Gives me anxiety, I guess. It's just too much for me. Too much movement, so I stick to the 5 or the 10. So once we got here, I was waiting for the 5-minute EMA to get tapped again, and they kept us coming up and getting close and coming down and getting close and coming down and getting close and coming down. So I was literally just sitting there waiting for it. Then I finally, or no, it was not the 15 minutes. It was the 15, not the 5. Excuse me. Here, now you can see getting close to the EMA. Very close. Like I think this was a three ticks, and then it went all the way to full TP, and then got here, got close, full TP again. Then it finally tapped me in over here, and then it literally wicked me out on the exact wick to knock me out the trade. So I mean, I could at least got back to break even for the day, but unfortunately, I just got barely tagged out here, like on the literal tick. And it just knocked me out, pushed down, probably about halfway through, so maybe about close to 1,000 in profit. I could have took because I was going 14 for that trade because I was down a little bit over 200 and something. I think it was down like 248 or something like that at that point. So I was going for a little bit over 14 just to get back to 1,200 for the day. And unfortunately, I did not. So it is what it is. I took my 2 L's for the day. That's part of my rules. 2 L's and I'm done. 3 trades max. So I hit both of those things because my other trade was break even. You know, we live to fight another day. My account's not blown. I didn't hit the daily loss limit. It's just take my L's. I'm just gonna walk away. And we're gonna reload for the next day. That's all I have for today for y'all. Hopefully tomorrow I can get some more dubs. It's still a good trading day because none of my rules are broken. So sometimes you just lose. It's part of trading. So yeah, it is what it is. I'll catch y'all tomorrow for the next recap. Peace.